Hello, I'm Mark, and I collect things. Sometimes I even play things, and I am always here spending too much money on hobbies. Today we're going to take a look at some Hro Chapter 2 hybrid NFT trading cards. I got my initial shipment in from Hro today. We're going to start with opening one of these 4-packs that I received. If you like this type of content and want to see more of it, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down on the bottom if you're also on the hunt for some of these Hro packs and will be ripping them and collecting them. This 4-pack will have 4 total packs, 3 7-card and 1 8-card, I believe, with the premium movie card. Here are the odds if you want to take a look at that. The mythic cards are extremely tough to pull. This set's going to be difficult to complete, and it's going to be harder to get lower mint numbers because the print run has doubled, and there are now 6 1,000 card mythics instead of 3. But let's go ahead and get into it. Let's rip open this pack and see what we get. This is the first time I have seen these packs. We'll take a little bit of a look at them. These are printed in Belgium. We have 3 7-card packs and the 8-card pack with the bonus movie card. Here's Wonder Woman, Kryptonite, Green Arrow, Vandal Savage, Atom Smasher, one of the Black Adam movie tie-ins, Cyclone, another movie tie-in, and our guaranteed foil, which is an epic, the lowest rarity we could get, Superman versus Wraith. This is pack 2 out of the box. Bizarro, Harvey Bullock, Raven, Invisible Jet, Black Adam movie tie-in. Oh, Justice Society movie tie-in and a 3-digit 705 common. I think that is a pretty good mint for one of the commons. Set that aside. And our guaranteed foil, Justice League Dark. Epic quality. And the Chapter 1 NFT set, the first wave that was shipped had a bunch of misprints on the foil sheet of the main set. So after this video, I'll be taking a look at the backs to look for misprints to see if there are any similar problems. Static. It's a great character to put in the set. I'm glad to see him. Superman reforms the Justice League. Uncommon. Green Lantern Hal Jordan common. Catwoman Superior. Film logo uncommon, since it has 2 bars at the bottom. Movie tie-in. Head-to-head Superior. Nice artwork on this movie tie-in. And then our epic foil, Batman from Earth 52. All right, last pack, and this has the extra movie tie-in. Ragman, common. Batgirl, Barbara Gordon. Pretty nice artwork on that one. House of Mystery, common. Superman reforms the Justice League, uncommon. 4-digit mint. That'll be nice to get my collection going for the leaderboard. Justice League Satellite, common. The Team movie tie-in. 4-digit, but fairly high number. guaranteed regular foil of the pack, epic. And then here's our movie premium card, Black Adam, emblems. This card has particularly good foiling on it. Compared to the epic, it's like the entire card is foil instead of only the parts that are not covered by artwork. Like on this one, it's kind of the background and some of the highlights are foiled. But on this, the entire card is foil. Looks pretty nice in person. All right, that is it for this pack opening. If you'd like to see more of these, please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks.